How do you see working with LabCare, your own brand, a brand which has been created?
In a very small way, I always said that it's not a brand that I own, it's a brother that I own. He said that he always had a clean vision. I also had a clean interest, I would say. I have been traveling with him to China for past 12 years, right? I remember taking NOCs from school.
You have great responsibility. Sales तो हो रहा है, but अगर marketing का push बराबर होना चाहिए था कि sales का जो momentum है बना रहे. So how do you see this department in LabCare?
If you want to sell the products, you need to know the right audience. But if you want the products to sell, then people should know, or your audience should know about the product. So that is what the marketing is. Marketing is all about the social platforms. And being a Gen Z, I have interest in that as well. So customer is God in both the ways, when he wants to buy it and when he has bought.
Right. So how are you handling your teams?
People in my team, there's a designing head, there's a art team that I have with me. Since I have a team of young people, so we get new ideas, new ways to present things. But when it comes down to an expertise, so it's a combination of both young energy and old calmness. Tech is not just a part of the life, it is something blended well. LabCare is a dealer distributor oriented brand. So we want them also to earn, go with us, the LabCare family, to multiple destinations. We have taken them to Europe. We have been to Dubai, in which all of them were locked in a cruise for 7 days and they were with us partying and talking about work. Just what I've learned from my father is, he always used to say, जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा. So I just added my twist in, जो दिखाओगे वो बिकेगा. So customer now wants to see more, they want to experience it more and they want to live it more. हर घर LabCare and हर माउथ LabCare. So वो तब होगा जब आदमी एक बार LabCare लेके जाएगा, कहेगा मुझे चाहिए तो LabCare का ही ये चाहिए. So he should have that ecosystem of LabCare around him. If I was late for even 30 seconds, मतलब 10:30 पे भी अगर मैं क्लास के लिए आ रहा हूँ, he said go out. I did not realize the importance कि यार मेरी attendance चली जाएगी. You'll never be disappointed or you'll never feel that you have bought a wrong product. The first scheme that I handled,